After last week's disappointing jobs report and the latest round of budget battles on Capitol Hill, we are reminded yet again that COVID continues to be the biggest drag on our economic recovery. We begin with CBS News senior national correspondent Mark Strassmann in Atlanta this morning.
Woke people.
Hey, can you watch your language?
No.
There are around kids.
More than a moment short of a disorder, COVID America has functioning anxiety. Day after day, living with this lingering virus.
We will not comply! We will not comply!
Upset, uncertain, on edge. Frustrated other people, who ironically feel the same way, won't come to their senses.
We want to end this pandemic. We are all exhausted by it.
Including most vaccinated Americans. Our new CBS poll found 56% of them said they were at risk because of the unvaccinated. The virus, with no end in sight, has killed more than 700,000 Americans. There is some hope, cases now declining in 32 states.
1, 2, 3.
And Pfizer's hoping its vaccine for kids ages 5 to 11 gets emergency approval by the end of the month. Not a moment too soon, as the Delta variant remains pitiless. Our relationship status with America's economy also complicated. Cash-happy consumers want to spend. But too often, the message in stores, we're out of that. Empty grocery shelves in North Carolina, food shortages for schools. And yet, off the coast of Southern California, 500,000 shipping containers wait for unloading. Even good news seems to come with a catch. Take America's new jobless rate, less than 5%. Fewer than 200,000 new jobs were created last month, a major disappointment. Even with millions of openings, employers can't find good help these days, or any help. Millions of jobless people now stay home. Why risk working and catching COVID, especially for mediocre money?
What do we want? What do we want it? No!
At Buffalo's Mercy Hospital, this strike has drifted into its second week. Hundreds of healthcare workers demanding more staffing and better pay. They're stressed and they've had it. Sound familiar? More pandemic stress is on its way for private employers. OSHA's still working on issuing emergency guidance for mandatory vaccinations and testing for any company that employs at least 100 people. At least 24 states have promised to fight it. Margaret?
Mark, thank you.